Dave English Podcast. Subscribe, like, comment, share.
You study English every day. You watch videos. You read. You practice. But then someone speaks to you in English, and suddenly your mind goes blank. You forget every word you know. You feel nervous. You don't know what to say. If that sounds like you, you are not alone. This happens to millions of English learners around the world. It is not because you are bad at English. It is because you have not practiced real conversations enough. Today, we are going to fix that. Welcome to Dave English Podcast. I'm Dave. This channel is made for English learners just like you. We keep things simple, natural, and real. In today's video, you are going to hear for real-life English conversations. These are the kinds of conversations you might have every single day. Meeting someone new, making small talk, ordering food at a restaurant, talking about your day. You are going to hear the full dialogue. Then I will explain some key phrases and why they are useful. By the end of this video, you will feel much more confident speaking real English. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, I want to invite you to subscribe. Every week, I make videos to help you speak English with more confidence. It is completely free. Just click the subscribe button below. It really helps this channel grow. Okay, let's go to our first conversation. You are at a coffee shop. A person sits near you. They smile and start talking. This happens all the time. Let's listen. Person A: Hi. Are you waiting for someone? Person B: No, I'm just here alone. I like coming here to relax. Person A: Me too. I come here almost every morning. My name is Sarah. By the way. Person B: Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Tom. Person A: Nice to meet you too, Tom. Is this your first time here? Person B: No, I come sometimes, but I usually sit in the back. What about you? Person A: I always sit by the window. I love watching people walk by. So, do you live around here? Person B: Yes, just a few blocks away. You? Person A: Same. I moved here about a year ago. I really love this neighborhood. Person B: Yeah, it's a nice area. Very quiet. Person A: Exactly. Anyway, I don't want to bother you. It was nice meeting you, Tom. Person B: You too, Sarah. Maybe I'll see you around. Person A: I hope so. Have a great day. Person B: You too. Take care. Let's talk about some phrases from that conversation. Nice to meet you. This is one of the most common phrases in English. You will use this almost every time you meet someone for the first time. By the way, we use this to add extra information naturally. It keeps the conversation smooth. I don't want to bother you. This is a polite way to end a conversation. It shows respect for the other person's time. Maybe I'll see you around. This is a friendly way to say goodbye when you might see someone again in the future. These are small phrases, but they make a huge difference. They make your English sound natural and polite. Small talk is very important in English. It is the short, light conversation you have before a meeting, in the hallway, or while waiting for class to start. Let's listen. Person A: Hey, how are you doing today? Person B: Pretty good. thanks. A little tired, but okay. You? Person A, same. I didn't sleep well last night. Person B, really? Why not? Person A, I don't know. I just couldn't fall asleep. My mind was too busy. Person B, I hate when that happens. Did you have coffee this morning at least? Person A, 2 cups already. It's not enough. Person B, ha. I know that feeling. Are you ready for the meeting later? Person A, honestly, not really. I still have to look at the notes. Person B, same. I think it will be pretty short though. Person A, I hope so. I have a lot to do today. Person B, yeah, me too. Anyway, let's catch up later. Person A, sounds good. See you in there. Now let's look at some key phrases. Pretty good. This is a very common, relaxed way to answer. How are you? It is more natural than just saying I am fine. I didn't sleep well. This is a great phrase because everyone can relate to it. It is simple and very real. I hate when that happens. This shows empathy. It means you understand how the other person feels. It is a great way to connect with someone. Let's catch up later. This means let's talk more later. It is a very friendly and common expression. Small talk feels simple, but it is very powerful. It builds relationships. It makes people feel comfortable around you. This is one of the most common situations for English learners. You go to a restaurant, the waiter comes, and suddenly you feel nervous. Let's practice this together. Waiter, hi there, welcome. How many people today? Customer, just one, please. Waiter, of course. Right this way. Here's your menu. Can I start you off with something to drink? Customer, yes, I'll have some water, please. And maybe a coffee? Waiter, sure thing. Regular coffee or iced coffee? Customer, regular, please. Hot. Waiter, perfect. I'll be right back with that. Take your time with the menu. Customer, thank you. A few minutes later. Waiter, okay, here's your water and coffee. Are you ready to order? Or do you need a little more time? Customer, I think I'm ready. Can I get the chicken sandwich, please? Waiter, absolutely. And would you like fries or a salad with that? Customer, fries, please. Waiter, great choice. Anything else I can get you? Customer, no, I think that's everything. Thank you. Waiter, you're welcome. I'll have that out for you soon. Let's look at some useful phrases from this conversation. Just one. Please when you are eating alone. This is exactly what you say. Simple and direct. I'll have this is the most natural way to order in English. Not I want and not give me. Just I'll have. It is polite and confident. Can I get? This is another very natural way to order. Can I get the chicken sandwich? It sounds casual and comfortable. Anything else? The waiter will ask this a lot. When you are done ordering, just say no. I think that's everything. Thank you. That is all you need. The restaurant conversation is not complicated. You just need to know a few key phrases, and you will feel completely confident. We are about halfway through the video. I hope these conversations are helping you already. If you are enjoying this, please give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is a great time. I post new videos every week, and I do not want you to miss them. Okay, let's continue with our last conversation. At the end of the day, someone asks you, "How was your day?" This is one of the most common questions in English. Let's hear a real, natural answer. Person A, "Hey, you're home. How was your day?" Person B, "Honestly, it was a long one. I had a lot of meetings." Person A, "Oh no. Were they okay at least?" Person B, "Yeah, they were fine. Just a lot of talking. I'm a little tired now." Person A, "I can imagine. Did anything good happen?" Person B, "Actually, yes. My manager said she really liked my work this week. That felt good." Person A, "That's great. You deserved it. You've been working so hard." Person B, "Thank you. I needed to hear that. How about you? How was your day?" Person A, "Mine was pretty relaxed, actually. I went to the gym in the morning. Then I worked from home. It was a good day." Person B, "Nice. That sounds like the perfect day." Person A, "I know. I wish every day was like that. Are you hungry? I was thinking of making pasta." Person B, "Yes, please. That sounds amazing right now." Person A, "Perfect. It'll be ready in about 30 minutes. Person B, "I'm going to go change. Thank you for cooking." Person A, "Of course. Go rest. You had a long day." Let's look at a few key phrases from this one. Honestly, it was a long one. A long one means a long day. This is a very natural shortcut in English. Instead of a long day, you can just say a long one. I can imagine. This is a warm and empathetic response. It shows the other person you understand how they feel without saying too much. You deserved it. This is a great phrase to encourage someone. It is positive, warm, and very natural. How about you? After you answer a question, always ask this. It keeps the conversation going. It shows you are interested in the other person. "That sounds amazing." Instead of just saying good or nice, try using "that sounds amazing" or "that sounds great." It adds energy and warmth to your English. These are the small things that make your English feel alive. Now I have a few simple questions for you. Think about your own answers. You can even write them in the comments below. I would love to read them. Question 1. In conversation 1, Sarah and Tom met at a coffee shop. Where do you like to go to relax? Question 2. In conversation 3, the customer ordered a chicken sandwich with fries. What is your favorite thing to order at a restaurant? Question 3. In conversation 4, person B had a long day with many meetings. How was your day today? Tell me in English. Leave your answers in the comments. It is great speaking practice, and I read every comment. So that is our lesson for today. We practiced for real conversations, meeting someone new, small talk, ordering at a restaurant, and talking about your day. Here is my message to you before you go. Speaking English is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice. Not perfect practice, just real practice. Every day, you do not need to speak perfectly. You just need to speak. Start small. Use the phrases you learned today. Say hello to someone. Order your coffee in English. Tell someone how your day was. One conversation at a time. That is how real progress happens. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is also learning English. And if you want more videos like this every week, subscribe to Dave English Podcast. I am here every week to help you grow. Thank you so much for watching. I am proud of you for practicing today. Keep going. You are doing better than you think. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Dave English Podcast. Subscribe, like, comment, share.